Ways to change opacity in Edit, Fusion, and Color pages in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added 3 clips to my timeline. Select your first clip and open up Inspector panel. Under Composite, change opacity to your liking. Now move playhead above your video and go to Fusion page. Disconnect Media In from Media Out. Bring a background node and connect it to Media Out. Connect Media In to output of background node to merge it. Select Merge Node and change Blend property to change opacity. On the Fusion page you have the option to change opacity of only some parts of your video. Select Media In node and click on one of the masks to mask it. Move playhead above your video and go to Color page. Right-click on the node's area and choose Add Alpha Output. Connect blue to blue alpha output. Now from Key tab, decrease gain, which is under Key Output, to change opacity. On the Color page too, you have the option to change the opacity of only some parts. Use Window tab to mask your video. Then change gain value in the Key tab. Finally, if you want to change the opacity of multiple videos at once, go to Edit page. Open up Effects panel and click on Effects. Drag an adjustment clip above your videos in timeline and adjust its duration to match all your videos. Now select the adjustment clip and change opacity in Edit, Fusion, or Color pages, and it will change the opacity of all the clips below it.